you would notice, guys, I'm not wearing any makeup right now because I just had a shower, I just came from the gym, and I decided for tonight, I need to add something for my skincare routine. Tomorrow, I'll be hosting a wedding. Every time I have an event the following day, I always make sure that I use a facial mask the night before because it guarantees that I have a glowing and very hydrated skin, and it lasts the entire day, that I don't need to wear heavy makeup. I'm not a fan of wearing heavy makeup even if I do make hostings because para sa akin, the more natural you look, the more it's appealing for the audience. I'm a fan of natural look. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel and welcome to Teen Talks, where we talk about things I know that I'd like to share with all of you. Okay, sabi ko nga nag-hoard ako ng facial mask last month at ito na sila. So right now, I have 6 variants of the facial mask and I will be discussing with you one by one kung anong ginagawa niya. I have here the mung bean. This is one of my favorite, itong mung bean, because it's for pore care. There are days na feeling mo na exposed ka talaga sa init ng araw and talagang kitang-kita mo yung pores mo na it really opens up at ang lalaki niya, then this is the facial mask that you need to use. You find the facial mask that address your pores. So after gamitin yung facial mask, instantly you will notice that your pores are smaller. Next, we have the firming variant. But if you would ask me, amongst the two, ang favorite ko talaga is yung the blueberry. But both of them, when I use them, ang effect nila sa akin after using it, you would really feel that there's a tightening effect on your skin. So, kailan ko siya ginagamit? If I felt that I look haggard, if feeling ko nagsasagi yung skin ko, so I need to have a firming facial mask. So, ito yung mga go-to ko. Next variant is the cucumber. The cucumber is for hydrating. So again, if you feel your skin is very dry as of the moment or nag-flaky, normally ginagamit to pag nasa malamig kang lugar at nagda-dry up yung skin mo or nag-flaky, then you use the hydrating facial mask. Next would be their tea tree. Kailan naman ko ginagamit ang tea tree? Tea tree is known to help when you have breakouts in your skin. So, ibig sabihin, if I have an event the following day, and I have several breakouts the night before, I would use the soothing facial mask, the tea tree. And tea tree has that drying effect on your acne or your pimples na instantly it dries up the breakout. So, nakakatulong siyang lumiit, mag-subdue, or nakokontrol niya yung breakouts ko. There are times that after using this facial mask, pagising ko ng umaga, nag-dry up na yung pimples ko. So, hindi na siya tumutulo. And lastly, that I have right now is the lemon variant, and this is for brightening. So, when do I use the brightening? There are times that you look at your skin and feeling mo ang dull, or parang hindi naman maitim, pero parang ang dark ng dating ng skin mo. Wala yung glow, wala yung parang shine ng skin mo. Then, that's the time you use the brightening. If you want to glow normally, if my skin is fine, my pores are fine, and it's hydrated, and I don't have breakouts, and if I felt it's firm, and it's supple, and it's in a very good condition, ang ginagamit kong facial mask is the brightening mask. Ibig sabihin, ang kailangan ko na lang is just to brighten up. Parang hindi ka naman pumuti, pero instantly parang nag-glow ka. So that's the effect that I have every time I use their brightening facial mask. Now, the question is, anong variant ang gagamitin ko tonight to be ready for my event tomorrow? And since I'd like to achieve Korean look for my makeup tomorrow, I decided to use the mung bean facial mask for pore care, because I'd like to achieve mas maliit na pores at kung maaari ay poreless ako tomorrow. Pwede ba yun? Porcelain look. So let's try. If you would notice the facial mask, sobrang dami niyang essence sa loob. Napaka-generous ng essence ng facial mask. Kaya gustong-gusto ko siya kasi I've tried other facial masks, but the problem is, ang bilis niyang magtuyo. Hindi pa tapos yung time of using the facial mask. Feeling ko, yung sheet niya is already dried up. Unlike the facial mask, nakakahinayang tanggalin kasi time is up na. It's still very wet and moist. So, let's put it. So, that's how you put a facial mask. You start flattening it up on your forehead and then sa may nose area para makover din siya. Like that. Lalo na tong mga pores sa nose, kailangan yan ay magsara. Under the eyes, and then you smooth it on the side. And then slowly going down. Now, I always say, whatever you put on your face, you have to put on your neck. So, yung mga extra essence na meron sa hands nyo, you rub it on your neck. So, you have to remember, when you're putting something on your neck, it should always be on an upward motion. Now, let's talk about the mask while I wait for this to finish. The question is, what to do with the excess essence inside the pouch? If you would feel it, meron pa siyang, ang dami pa niyang sobra. And, ano gagawin ko doon? Igaganon ko ba sa face ko? No, enough na yung nandun sa mask sheet mo. Normally, what I normally do is I transfer it in a container. Ito, ganito lang siya kaliit na container. I got this from Miniso. And then, enough tong container na to store all the remaining essence that I have. And what I do is, on a normal day, if there's a time that I need to use a facial mask, instead of opening again another pouch, what I would do is just get my essence. Yung mga natira kong essence. And I use this, I dab it on my face, and then, para na rin ako nag-facial mask. Kasi ang importante naman dito is, malagay mo sa face mo yung essence na meron dito sa pouch na to. Dito sa baba, andyan yung English translation ng instructions, and nakalagay dito is 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. So, ang tanong, yung iba kasi, nako-confuse when they're using the facial mask. Paano kung hindi pa siya dried up? Should I continue the mask or stop it na? Normally, you have to follow what's in the instructions. If it's 15 minutes maximum, then you have to put the mask in your face for just 15 minutes. You don't go beyond the 15 minutes. Ang question why, I've read in an article and I've watched a video, because it defies, hindi na niya nasa-serve yung purpose niya if it's beyond the 15 minutes. Ang nangyayari, instead of putting the essence inside your skin, you're trying to put it inside the skin, the sheet, beyond 15 minutes, sinisip-sip naman na niya yung moisture ng skin mo. Kasi dahil na-dry up na siya, lumilipat naman yung moisture ng skin mo papunta sa sheet. It's not letting your skin breathe together with the essence na nilagay mo from the mask. So, para simple, if it says 15 minutes, it's 15 minutes. So, it's very good that I feel that there's a tightening here. Ibig sabihin, yung essence ng facial mask na gamit ko ngayon is already sipping deep down on my skin. What other things you can do while using the facial mask? Right now, nauuso ngayon ng mga facial rollers. And normally, ang iba, ang ginagawa while they're using the facial mask, they're also using their facial rollers because they say na mas nag-absorb daw ng skin ang essence if you use it with a roller. So, I'll be doing another video for the benefits of facial rollers. But normally, kapag bumili ka ng facial roller, ang lagi nilang free or freebies is a facial mask. Kasi nga, sabi nila, it works together. You roll it upwards. Again, outward, upward motion. Mas nakakatulong daw para mas ma-absorb ng skin mo ang benefits ng facial mask. So, if it's 15 minutes of masking, Yung iba, ginagawa 15 minutes of facial rolling. 15 minutes is done. So, tatanggalin na natin. Final massage on my skin. Final massage on my skin. To leave the essence. And then, it's ready to be peeled off. So, kung mapapansin nyo, sabi ko nga kanina, nakakahinayang tanggalin ang face mask ng The Face Shop kasi after 15 minutes, it's still moist. So, anong ginagawa ko dito? This is when I rub it in my hands, in my elbows, para hindi sayang, and in my knee. Alright, so kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang kanina ang lalaki ng pores ko dito. So, if you will see, halos nag-close na siya. And until now, meron pang konting tightening dito. So, I super love the Mong. So, it's almost dry. And right now, I'd like to answer 2 common questions in terms of facial mask. One is, when do you insert it in your skincare routine? And second, do I still need to continue using moisturizers after using the facial mask? Now, answering the first question, as a golden rule, you use it after the toner. Mas madaling tandaan yon. Why? Normally, facial mask contains essence, and essence is lighter kesa sa moisturizers and sa serum. Kasi ang rule po sa pagle-layer ng product sa skin, you start with the lightest, pabigat siya ng pabigat. Because the lightest is absorbed easily by your skin. So, since nakapasok na siya, pwede mo na siyang patungan ng next layer. And then, the moisturizers, yun ang pinaka-last. Because as you sleep, dun siya unti-unting na-absorb ng skin natin. So, again, facial mask normally contains essence. Essence is normally lighter than serums and moisturizers. So, if you're using serums after the facial mask, continue with their serum and continue with your moisturizer. How much is the Face Shop facial mask? It's only 65 pesos each. 65 pesos each, and it's made in Korea. And kaya gusto ko siya. Hindi, may other facial mask pa rin na maganda from Korea. Pero again, kung once a week ka gagamit or every other week, again, syempre financially, kailangan budget-wise ka pa rin. So that's it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if there's any other products you'd like me to try and give my review about it, please do put it on the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click the bell button para naman po you'll get notified every time I upload videos like this. Again, thank you very much for joining me here on Teen Talks, where we will talk about everything I know that I'd like you to know. Bye!
Teen Talk!